Hello friends, this is Namrata Glossy and once again welcome back to my channel Namrata Glossy. Friends, last time my friend told me that I should make a video of a simple natural makeup which can be used for the college beginners or daily base makeup or job interviews makeup. So today I have brought to you latest new videos where we can use the simple makeup and with a cheap with a affordable prices cosmetic products. So here we go. Now I'm going to get a natural, simple and easy makeup. So let's get started, and now I'm going to show you that what kind of makeup product I'm using. I'm just using just these four things I am using, like for a mascara, liner, skin or lipstick. So friends, just remember that we are not going to wear a heavy makeup. We are just going to get a easy simple makeup and completely natural. So we just don't need to start from the eyes. We can use it from the skin. I am going to use first this BB cream. Just take a tiny amount on your finger like this, and as it is you are doing at your home, just tap on your dark spots wherever it is on your face area. Don't rub it. If you will rub it, and it will be white, so it will not look natural. For the natural, you must need to do like this. It is very easy to do. If you will do it, you may feel comfortable. So friends, I'm going to get eyeliner, and I'm showing you. And first I would tell you that we are going to get a natural makeup, whether you can wear a very thinner eyeliner. I'm not going to get a thinner eyeliner. I'm going to have a little thicker eyeliner because I love to have this kind of eyeliner. So just start. Just try to make it it should be touched from your eyelashes, not upper side. So guys, as you have seen that I did not use the thinner eyeliner because it does not look good on me. So I did it as usually ordinary days I do it. I just did. So if you want to wear a thicker eyeliner, so you can wear a thicker, or if you are a beginner, you can use a thinner eyeliner. So next I'm going to use a mascara. It is from Color Sense mascara, and this is my favorite because it makes your eyelashes, it gives the volume. So next I'm going that friends, first I would like to tell you that this is a very important part for the makeup. Next I'm going to make my eyebrow shades. As you know, I'm not using eyebrow pencil because pencil left the strokes of pencil which can show that it is artificial eyebrows. I don't want to show my eyebrows artificial, so I'm gonna use it. It's a Blue Heaven kajal. Just take it, and it's a normal brush. You can take like this. And just start from the medium, not start from the starting area. It can make your eyebrows little harsh, so just start from the middle. And then the down, and slowly go. You can go. Don't use it very forcefully. No need to use like this. Just use it smoothly. As smoothly you will use, it may look your eyebrow natural. Make your eyebrow completely natural. Oh, so now and final is that I'm going to use this lipstick, and it is from Beauty Lips. And just do not apply this direct this way. I am going to use like first take it from your fingertips, from the middle area, not upper side or outside. It just take a little, because we want to show that I'm wearing a natural makeup. Nobody can guess that we are wearing a makeup or not. So it just, we have to just, I just want to show that completely natural makeup. Don't use it direct. I just took the little lipstick and I mix it so that it can look the natural lips. Just as you can see that it is completely looking natural. First and the last thing that I love to show my final touch up with the eyeshadow. We are not using anything, sorry, I'm not using the eyeshadow. I'm just using the lipstick, whatever I'm wearing, the same lipstick I'm using only this area. It may work as eyeshadow. The corner area, not middle. It should be corner area of your eyes. Just tap it, don't rub, just tap, and take it the light finger, just swipe it from the, so here we go, completely natural eyeshadow. I'm not using any kind of eyeshadow. I'm just using a lipstick, whatever I'm wearing on my lips. The same lipstick I'm using as eyeshadow. Friends, here is the natural makeup. So if you like this video, subscribe, share, and my next video will be about the hair care. So please guys, watch my videos. I will upload my next videos. It will be about the beauty care video. So guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.